Hey, Rob here for Quadratec. If you've got an 0718 Jeep Wrangler JK, but maybe you like the looks and styling of the newest Jeep Wrangler JL, however you're not fond of the price tag that comes with a new car, well today I've got a wallet-friendly way that you can upgrade the styling of your JK Wrangler by switching out your front fender flares to a set of the Tactik JK to JL Style front flares. These flares give you all the great looks, lines, and lighting from the newest JL Wrangler in a flare that was designed to be a direct bolt-on to your JK Wrangler. The flares are sold in pairs and they come preloaded with LED front marker lights and turn signals. And yes, there is no modification required to get these installed on your vehicle. They'll bolt right into all of the factory locations that your factory front fender flares were originally mounted to. The wiring is a pretty simple task that you can accomplish as well with the included wiring connections. Now, they are sold in a matte black finish that is a UV stable plastic, so you can install them right out of the box just like this. Or if you like, they are paintable as well, so you could drop them off at your local body shop and get them custom color matched to your vehicle for a very custom look. Now, those front lights that are already pre-installed include a bright white running light on the front, as well as your amber side marker and a sequential amber turn signal when you're letting other drivers on the road know your intentions. They will still function with those factory turn signals found in the grille of your JK Wrangler. Now, as I mentioned, getting them installed is a pretty easy task. It doesn't require any modification to your vehicle. The first step we have to do is to go ahead and unplug the factory wiring connection to our side marker light. You'll also want to pop out one Christmas tree retainer holding that wiring on the underside of the flare. Next, we can remove these 6 10mm bolts securing the flare to the vehicle. With all of the hardware removed, pulling the fender flare off of the vehicle is as simple as grabbing it from the front and giving it a firm pull away from the vehicle to pop those plastic clips off of the metal fender. If any clips are remaining on the vehicle, we can simply use a pair of pliers from the backside to pop them loose at this time, and then go ahead and give the flare a wipe down before we begin installing the new fender. We can now prepare the new JK to JL Style flare by first pulling the 2 10mm bolts securing the light to the flare off so that we can install the reinforcement bracket. Next, we can install the 8 plastic clips that will attach the flare to the vehicle by snapping them in place in the respective locations on the flare. Start by twisting to remove the factory turn signal bulb to give you a little more slack in the wiring. Refer to the supplied instructions to match the wiring colors from the new fender flare to the factory wiring colors found in the turn signal and marker light harness. You can use the supplied T connectors to make your wiring connections, or like I prefer, you can cut the wiring and use some butt splice connectors with heat shrink tubing for a more permanent and weather sealed connection. With the wiring connections made, we can reinstall the turn signal in the front grille. Before we mount the flare to the vehicle, because these are not supplied with an inner fender liner, now is the perfect time to install a set of Tactik inner fenders along with your JK to JL Style flares. We'll start by setting the inner fender into place, and then we can rest the new fender flare over top, securing it in place by pushing it towards the vehicle to secure the plastic clips in place. Secure the flare to the vehicle with the 5 10mm bolts supplied. There are 2 inline resistors found on the wiring of the flare. We strongly recommend securing them to a metal surface to help them better dissipate heat. With them tucked up out of the way, we can now zip tie the rest of the wiring securely to the underside of the fender flare, completing your installation. And it's just that quick and easy to update the looks, lines, and lighting of your 0718 Jeep Wrangler JK with a set of Tactik JK to JL Style fender flares. If you want to get any more information or to purchase a set of the flares or the inner liners to go with them, you can click that info button to head to quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions about them or how to get them installed, you can always leave this warning down in the comment section below or by simply heading to the website. And as always, if you haven't already and you like these videos, do me a huge favor, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to hit the notification icon as well as that subscribe button so be sure to catch all of our latest videos. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you out on the trail.